Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. It is Black Friday and I've been shopping on the Lookfantastic website and I'm going to be showing you some amazing bargains that I've bought. There's lots of offers available with up to 30% off site-wide, but there's a huge selection of products, 50% or more off as well. This video is sponsored by Lookfantastic, and if you're new around here, I do monthly hauls with Lookfantastic where I seek out products I absolutely love, want to try, huge bargains, new releases and more, and I share them all with you. You'll find links to everything featured in this video down below in my description, plus you'll see links to the Lookfantastic website. I do have a code which is DiaryLF, so even though the products I'm about to show you, my code couldn't be used against those, it's worth trying because you never know, and because there's so many different offers and discounts on the website. I'll pop it down there anyway. So yeah, so let's start off then with a brand I absolutely love, and it's Lumene. This is the Nordic Sea Cloudberry gift set. This retails for £36.50. At time of filming, it's reduced to £26.38, but when you're seeing this, it might be reduced further. I love this range. It is my favourite range from the Lumene brand. It's really pretty, isn't it? A really gorgeous box. It says, our story starts with unique Nordic nature and how after months of cold and dark comes a period of constant light that supercharges our plants and berries. We take these wild ingredients and enhance them in our lab to bring you award-winning, skin-loving beauty products that really work. Lumene is a gorgeous beauty brand from Finland. So the two-piece set consists of a serum and a moisturiser. There's 50 ml here. It's a lightweight moisturising cream that contains Nordic cloudberry and vitamin C, which leaves the skin feeling smooth and soft and also brightening. I can't open this up now. It's really nice. They do a lot in the Nordic Sea range, including a night cream as well, which I've currently got by the side of my bed. This is the Nordic Sea Glow Boost Essence, and there's 30 ml here. It's one of the best-selling serums. Again, it contains Arctic cloudberry and vitamin C. It brightens the skin but leaves it with a dewy flush as well. It's a really great product, so no, I'm chuffed that I've got it again. The box looks like. So a really nice gift as well, isn't it? If you've been following me for a while, you will know I cannot resist a facial mist. And I saw this on offer and I had to get it. I haven't tried it before. This is a makeup setting spray. It's hydrating, and this is Top Secrets by Yves Saint Laurent. It retails for £30, and at time of filming it was on sale for £22.50. It's a 2-in-1 setting spray that hydrates the skin and locks in makeup. Inspired by makeup artists and developed by skincare experts. Oh, I had to tell you, it's the first time I'm trying it. I had to see what the mist is like. Oh, it's nice, it's fine, it feels gorgeous. Just love it. There is a subtle scent to it, very, very faint. It contains hyaluronic acid and walnut leaf, which apparently helps in giving that glow, but also holding in the moisture as well. So yeah, so I've got another facial mist there. Now the next items come as a trio. They're by Kiko Milano, and at time of filming, they're not currently on sale. They were when I ordered them, and no doubt they will be, as it is Black Friday when this video is going up. So I wanted to include them anyway, but they retail for £32.97. They're the Kiko Milano Handbag Essentials. I've got a lip oil here. This is a 3D Hydro Lip Oil in glossed glass. Look how beautiful the packaging is. I'm wearing a lot of Kiko Milano makeup at the moment. I've been testing out some of their makeup. This is one of their best-selling lip oils, and it provides up to 10 hours of hydration. So just very subtle hint of a tint there. A little pink hint of a tint. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I love that. Then I've got some SIBO balancing papers. These are for blotting your face as and when needed. Mattifying blotting sheets with green tea for combination to oily skin. And these are so handy. Definitely a handbag staple. I can smell it. I can smell the green tea. So just to show you what it's like, see how oily my nose is. Oh yeah, can you see there? That is disgusting. There. It says there's 100 sheets in there. So if you have oily combination skin, then yeah, these are really handy. And then lastly, I've got a setting powder. This is Universal Veil translucent powder. So I've got a mirror. And there's the powder there. There. Feels super, super soft. It does feel nice. The information about it says that you can achieve a smooth airbrush base with the silky powder. Love a translucent powder. 3 of them came as a trio. I thought that was a good buy. So handbag staples there from Kiko Milano. Next up, I've got a gorgeous perfume. I absolutely love this one. This is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Oh So Fresh. And it's Eau de Toilette, and there's 30 mils here. This is just so beautiful. It retails for £59 and it's currently on sale at time of filming for £44.25. The fragrance family is Floral Citrus. Look how gorgeous this is. So cute. So, so cute. I love all the perfume designs. They're just so cute. I do have quite a few of them, and I have this full size as well, but I'm nearly running out, which is why I decided to buy it. I am not keen on the original Just Daisy for some reason, but I love all the ones that come off it. Yeah, I haven't got any perfume on today. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It has top notes of mandarin essence, pineapple and mango. It has heart notes of orange blossom essence and rosewater, and base notes of cashmere woods. And it comes in a few different sizes as well. 30 mils is the smallest. I got another gift set, and it's brushes, makeup brushes by Real Techniques. This is the limited edition Real Techniques Wrapped in Glow. It's a brush and sponge set, and it contains 9 different items. I'll get that out and show you now. So it retails for £35. It's currently on offer for £24.50. So here are the brushes. To show you one by one. The bristles are super soft. I do really like Real Techniques. I've got quite a few Real Techniques brushes that I use, and I've bought many over the years as well. I really like this one. A nice angled eyeshadow brush. Can you see that it's angled there? Then we've got a setting brush, which is a really nice brush to do some spot powder work, so under eyes, nose, chin. It's a gorgeous setting brush, and I have had one of these many years ago, so it's nice that I've got another one. So we've got a big one here. This is a Snatch and Sculpt contour brush. I really like this one. I don't own this, so that's really good to get in there under the cheekbones and blend out. Yeah, it's a nice dense brush. So like that. And then we've got an Expert Face brush. So this can be used for anything really. You can apply creams, powders, liquids. You can use it for contouring as well, or foundation, whatever you want. You've got a shading brush, a smudge brush, and an angled liner. And as well as the brushes, you've got the Beauty Blending Sponge, which I love. They expand really, really nicely. But this is fab. I love these. I use beauty blending sponges all the time. I apply my makeup with a makeup brush and then I go over it with a sponge afterwards. This little case here is so handy, especially if you've just done your makeup and you're going out. Just a handy thing to put in your handbag, so then you can just top up your makeup without soaking or getting makeup on any other products. Yeah, I love this little thing. I got a Real Techniques Wrapped in Glow beauty set. Next, I got a new product to the Lookfantastic website, and this is the White Company. There's a few products on there, and no doubt they'll be building that up. I am not that familiar with the brand, so I thought I'd treat myself to a luxurious hand wash. This is pomegranate. It contains pomegranate, mandarin and amber. There's 250 mils here. It has a rich fruity scent apparently, which I'll have a sniff now. I haven't smelt it yet. Oh, it's gorgeous. That is really nice. What is it? Amber. Yeah, I was going to say it's got something in there that stops it from being too fruity, you know? No, that's lovely. So this retails for £13, but it's currently on offer for £10.40. Next, I got something for the hair. This is another little gift bag. This is from Revolution, and this is a mega hair roller gift set for all hair types. It includes big hair thermal styling brush, mega velcro heatless rollers 10-pack, and some section clips as well. This retails for £15. And on the website, it hasn't been reduced yet, although it was when I bought it a couple of days ago. So no doubt it will be reduced as you're watching this video. I'll just get out some rollers for you. I love these. They're so quick and easy to use. I remember when they first came out a long time ago, but they're just so easy. You just grab the hair and just roll it and it just sticks. Lots of different sizes depending on what sort of wave you want to go for. And we've got 8 little clips as well. I suppose if you've got really thick hair, then yeah, putting a clip in the rollers is just extra security. The reason I don't wear any clips is because my hair is naturally really thin and fine, so I don't need them. And also we got this barrel brush as well. So a nice big barrel brush. With these type of rollers, what I tend to do is I put heat protection spray in my hair, put any mousses, any volume sprays in my hair while it's damp, blow dry it completely, and then I put the rollers in section by section, and then I finish off with like a little spray of hairspray, and then usually I put my makeup on and then take my hair out at the very last minute. But yeah, I just thought that's a really cute little set, isn't it? And something that me and my daughter can both use. Now the next 2 items are makeup, and it's Natasha Denona. I love this woman. I think her eyeshadows are top notch. They are the best eyeshadows I've ever tried. I just think they're stunning. They're really really I got a few of the large palettes and they are quite pricey. They are so worth it, and also they're on sale now as well. But no, I'm not buying myself a big palette. I treated myself to a little mini one. I've got quite a few of these as well. We have seen them in advent calendars and beauty boxes as well. But this one, I've been eyeing this one up for ages. It's a trichrome palette. It's so beautiful. I love navies and silvers, and that colour is stunning, isn't it? It's like a purpley blue. Oh, yeah. Gorgeous. Oh, and this colour there, it's like a purple. Oh, purple. It's a purple shimmer. Really, really happy with those. Can you see? There. Oh, that looks blue on camera, but to me that just looks purple, but obviously it's like dual chrome, isn't it? Out of them all, I'm less likely to use that one, the pale one there, but definitely use the other ones, and you never know, I might use that one. But it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Love her eyeshadows. It retails for £24 and it's currently on offer for £16.80. Now the last item is another eyeshadow. It's by Urban Decay and this is Moon Dust. It's a sparkly eyeshadow and I've got it in Space Cowboy. I was influenced by Katie Jane Hughes over on TikTok. She was wearing this particular one in one of her videos and it just looks stunning. It just looks so beautiful. Very, very minimalist eye makeup. With this just in the middle, it looked almost like liquid. So I thought, oh, I'm going to have to get it. Gonna have to get it. I can't get it out. How can I get it out? It comes in 5 different shades. It retails for £17, but it's currently on sale for £11.90. Okay. Oh. It already feels amazing. Look. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Hopefully you can see on camera. There's just little bits how it fades off. It's so pretty. Yeah, love. Ooh, sorry, I bashed the camera then. So, Moon Dust by Urban Decay. So those are all the products that I bought in the Lookfantastic Black Friday sales. I'd love to know what you think. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.